I've had pneumonia and gone to work. Like on antibiotics, stay-at-home rest, I've gone to work.
This Vancouver woman says she can't afford to miss even a single day of work. She spoke to CBC News under condition of anonymity due to fears she could lose work clients.
If I missed a contract, like a full contract, I would probably be homeless. I don't have, a sizable savings to live off of if I got really sick.
She's a single mother with 2 dependent children to care for. More than 60% of her income goes towards paying her rent.
I don't have an option, really, to get sick. Rent has to be paid. Kids have to be fed. Sick isn't an option.
Health authorities have warned for weeks that people with symptoms of illness should avoid contact with others and stay home from work, all to try and contain the spread of COVID-19.
So I'm asking all British Columbians, if you are sick, stay home. Stay away from others.
The woman we interviewed feels that advice is out of touch.
I feel like they're talking to a different class of people than I am. They're talking to people who have sick leave at work. They're talking to people who are probably, have rights that have been fought for by a union.
This researcher says millions of Canadians without sick leave have to choose between working through illness or missing out on a paycheck.
The best estimates from StatsCan would be 2 million people, which is over 8% of the labor force.
Precarious work is common throughout industries like tourism, food service, retail, filming, and construction. Thompson says the number is growing, with companies like Lyft, Uber, and Foodora hiring people as independent contractors.
And if they're independent contractors, they don't even get what the law provides. The employer doesn't contribute to the Canada Pension Plan, for instance. They're not covered by occupational health and safety regulations.
The Vancouver woman we spoke with knows she could be putting herself and others at risk.
My intention isn't to get other people sick. That's not what I want, but it has to be weighed against bills and food and necessities like that.
But feels she has no choice with rent to pay and 2 children to care for. Eva Uguen-Csenge, CBC News, Vancouver.